In this video, we'll see how to make chocolate cream bombs. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need 7 to 8 slices of bread. I'm using brown bread, you can use white bread as well. Using a rolling pin, that is balun, roll the bread slices one by one. Cut roundels of small size using a katori or a cookie cutter. And don't worry about the leftovers, you can dry them and make breadcrumbs. Similarly, roll the other bread slices. Try using fresh bread because they are more moist and they are easy to roll. You need an ape pan for this recipe, so grease it with some oil or butter. The size of your roundels should be according to your ape pan size, so the roundel should fit inside like this. Basically, we are making shells of bread. Now place it on your gas stove, keeping the flame lowest possible. And let these bread slices toast really well till these become crispy. So what would happen after some time, if you take one out, it would hold its shape, and when it cools down completely, it would hold its shape and would be crispy. And if required, you can add some more oil or melted butter. So see, this is done. Now I'm going to take these off and let these cool down. Next, we need some chocolate spread. So today I'm using the Disano Choco spread, which is very creamy and chocolatey and super yummy. Disano chocolate spread is my favorite, and you can find its purchase link in video's description box. Make sure you spread around the edges because this would help two hemispheres stick together easily, because we are going to take two and attach them to each other to make a bomb. Next step is to fill it with some whipped cream. So I've made some whipped cream with 1/4 cup whipping cream. If you noticed, in some of the cups I am filling whipped cream in the center and in some around the edges. So I'm going to take each and join them. So this would help them stick together. Like I said, you can add some chocolate spread in the center to make it more chocolatey. Similarly, make the rest. Finally, drizzle some more chocolate spread, and if you want to see how to make this cone, you can check out my video how to recycle carry bags on Home and Much More channel, and you would come to know how I've made this. And then sprinkle some sprinkles. So this step is optional, you can skip if you do not have sprinkles. So I added some chocolate spread in the center in a few. These just melt in mouth, so tasty and so delicious and easy to make. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.